So, good morning, sir. Uh, I'm Jolo Bagios. In this presentation. He, hmm, ano po? Akala ko hindi na po. Good morning, sir. I am Jolo Bagios. In this presentation, I'll explain the four assessment about Laravel, covering from landing and validation, authentication, and mid middleware code operation, and integrating Google reCAPTCHA. Each part focuses on how Laravel helps us build secure and reliability of web applications. Yun po. Assessment, assessment 1, secure measuring and form. SQL injection prevented by Eloquent or RM, XSS protection with blade scripting, custom middleware example. PHP Artisan make middleware admin middleware. Ah, yun po yung ano niya. Tas if else user role admin return redirect home. Nasa pan po. Yan. Formatting and validation are very important because they ensure the data we collect and correct, complete, and safety. It prevent user from submitting invalid data and protect our application from security threats like SQL injection and CSS attacks. Yan po. Tapos to, Laravel includes built-in tools to secure from the C- CSRF directive protects against CSRF attacks. Eloquent Arm automatically prevent SQL injection and the request validate function checks if user inputs meet our rules before saving them. Yun po. Yan, yan po yung ano po. Yan. Tapos slide 3. Example from in controller. Ayan po. Scale token-based automatical check to passport. Ayan po. Season management and caching, loading balancing for larger systems. Here example. The blade from uses C CSRF for protection and when submitted, the controller validates the email input. If validation false, Laravel automatically rejects back in the error message. Yun po. Assessment. Ayun na po. Assessment may create operation in Laravel from controller model database. Plate templates use for form UI. Yun po. The create operation is where we collect use input through a form and store it in the database. Laravel Blade templates make it easy to design from while controller handle data processing. Validation and sanitation in code. Ensuring data safety, preventing malicious input, uses request validate. Validation in sanitation ensure that the data saved in clean and secure. Laravel automatic, automatically sanitize user input and validate it using the request validate method. Parang ganyan, no? Yan. Yan yung ilalagay sa ano para read operation example. Users equal users, all plus parenthesis. Return view users, index impact users. The read operation retrieves data from the database using lookup models. For example, users which is all users and we pass that data to blade view for display. Yun po. Yun. Update operation in Laravel. Edit from edit form prefiled with existing data. Update is used to modify existing records. Laravel allows us to prefile form with all data, update the method model and the save changes with model. Yan pa yung sinasabi ko. Yan. Model. Model. Update. Request. All. Yan. Delete operation security. Use method delete with CSRF add and add confirmation dialogues, restrict access by role or permissions. Yun naman, delete operation security. Deleting data should be handled carefully. Laravel use CRF protection for delete requests and we add information from to avoid accidentally deletion. Yun po ay parang pag na-delete mo, tas nandun lahat, nandun pa rin kahit na di mo delete. Di mo sinasadya, ganon, nandyan pa din. So, tayo, assessment 4. Purpose of Google reCAPTCHA. Protects from bots and spam, enhances website security. Yun naman ay reCAP help protect our web from bot spam by verifying that the user is a real person. It's an important layer to security, especially from login and registration forms. Ano po? Ito. Obtain reCAPTCHA keys. Register on Google reCAPTCHA admin console. Get site key and secret key. Integrating reCAPTCHA in Laravel. Composer required. After installing the package, we add the reCAPTCHA field to our form using yun po, using yun. Ito lang. No. Display in blig. Yan po. Tas, ngal. Hindi mo system sa munisipyo? Nagbibidyo ako ngal. Ha? Nagbibidyo. Nagbibidyo ako. Nagbibidyo. Wala susunod sa akin. Patapusin mo naman ito. Patapusin mo. Nagbibidyo ako. Video? Oh, presentation. Sandali lang yan. Oo. Yun na sa San Agustin na siya. Lobat na eh. Number 3. Integrating recap in Laravel. Meron na pala yan. Tapos na pala. Yan. Validating responsive. When the form is submitted, Laravel validates the recap response using the secret key from Google. This ensures only verified user can submit the form. Yan po. Request validate as G-recaps response. Yan po. Yung the secret verifies the customize recaps error message. We can also customize recaps error message to make them friendly. For example, showing please verify that you are not a robot. Yan pa yung parang nag-ano kayo eh. Or may pinapasok kayong website na ganito. Yan. Tapos may 6 ba yun? Yan, ganyan. Tapos nakalagay dito kung ano yung kawan nyo. Tapos para may I am not a robot. Yan. Yan lang. Dito yung 1. Pipindutin nyo. Tapos yan. Tapos maglalagay sa pan. Yan. Pagkatapos, nakalagay dyan, I'm not. Please verify that you are not a robot. Yun. Yun yung nakalagay doon. Basta nakakanyo natin yun. The summary. Laravel provides powerful tools from validation, authentication, code, and security. Following best practices ensure safety, usability, and maintainability. In summary, Laravel provides powerful tools for handling from authentication, code, operation, and protecting against common web threats by following best practices and using built-in security features. We can create safe, efficient, and user-friendly web application. Thank you po, sir. And thank you po sa pakikinig. Good afternoon po, sir.